My name is Jessica Bouvier, and my presentation is on HRIS Systems. What is an HRIS system? It is a human resources information system, and it is software or online solution for data entry, data tracking, and data information needs of the human resources, payroll, management, and accounting departments. There are three major types of HRIS systems. The first, HRIS system, which is Human Resources Information System. The second, HCM, which is Human Capital Management. And the third, HRMS, is Human Resources Management System. HRIS softwares are designed to manage people, policies, and procedures. The majority of HRIS software only cater to companies who employ U.S. citizens. HCM software includes the same capabilities as the HRIS software, as well as talent management and global capabilities. The global capabilities make this software able to handle companies with employees all over the world. HRMS software covers the same capabilities of both the HRIS and HCM software systems, and also cover payroll and time and labor management. These additions set the HRMS software apart from the rest. There are several benefits to implementing an HRIS system. The systems help speed up productivity in the HR department, reduce errors, helps maintain compliance, and can perform analysis. HR recruiters spend a lot of time recruiting and onboarding. HRIS software helps with this recruiting and helps recruit a larger pool of candidates and has the capabilities to house onboarding information and documents for new employees. This system also provides storage of important new hire documents such as an I-9 form and the acceptable documents that go along with it. This helps cut down on paper waste and makes filling out these documents much easier. HR employees spend much of their day responding to email questions. With self-service options, employees will have access to copies of their paychecks, time off balances, contact information, and benefit options, making employees more engaged in their benefits. These systems help with compliance by storing employees' licenses and certifications and help alert HR and the employee when they're close to expiring. Performing analysis is another feature of HRIS software that can help a company make informed decisions by calculating pertinent data. Organizations can really benefit from these systems. One important idea to think about when implementing an HRIS software is how employees will be trained to use the software. This is important because if employees are not properly trained, then the company will not benefit as much from the software. There are 4 types of training to use HRIS software: classroom style, self-training, role-based training, and trickle-down training. The types used will depend on the employee's role. Classroom style training that allows employees to focus on learning the new system will be a good training for the HR department, payroll, and accounting. Those will be the employees who will use the software on a daily basis. Self-training materials like vendor manuals will be good tools too for the HR team, payroll, accounting, and even management. Self-training offers employees the option to review the material at their own pace on their own schedule. Online HRIS training will be a good option for all employees, offering a hands-on approach that will help save the company time and money. This training also gives employees the opportunity to complete at their own time on their own pace. Role-based training aids in honing in on pertinent information that each user needs in order to do their job. This would separate each employee based on their role within the organization and train them solely on functions that are relevant to their job. Lastly, there is trickle-down training. This training option is not very reliable because one person is trained and expected to train everyone else within the organization. If this person were to forget information, be absent from work, or leave the company, then the trickle-down training won't work properly, leaving employees untrained. Why should Karmanos invest in an HRIS? These systems and the automation they provide is a way of the future. HRIS help companies automate tasks and streamline processes, which result in an improvement to efficiency and productivity. On the 2018 Employee Engagement Survey, our Karmanos employees voted that they feel our HR department takes too long to respond to employee questions. Oftentimes, employees do not reach out to their HR department because they feel working with HR can be difficult. With an HRIS system process that once took hours to investigate will take minutes with the reports built into their HRIS systems. Many employees will be able to answer their own questions in the self-service application. This will lead to better relationships between the HR departments and our employees. So many choices for HRIS. Which system will Karmanos choose? We first need to determine steps involved in making that decision. To do this, meetings need to be set up with representatives from HRIS companies. An evaluation of Karmanos' wants and needs must be created. A final checklist of these wants and needs will need to be presented to the HRIS representatives. A budget for the HRIS and implementation will need to be created. A team of employees needs to be created for those who should be involved in the evaluation and approval of the HRIS. This team should consist of members from HR, IT, accounting, and payroll. This team should evaluate the top HRIS choices and demo a few of the systems that offer what Karmanos wants and needs. The team should then research their top choices and determine what and who it will take to implement the system. With all of this information, Karmanos should be able to make the decision on which HRIS system to choose. Which HRIS system should Karmanos choose? After research and careful consideration, the choice best fit for Karmanos is the Human Resource Management System, Oracle. Oracle provides products that will suit Karmanos' needs. For employee tracking, payroll, benefits, and employee self-service applications, PeopleSoft will be a great fit. For talent management, recruiting, onboarding, and new hire documentation, Taleo will be a good fit. And for tracking time off and pay time off banks, Kronos will be a good fit. Why choose PeopleSoft? PeopleSoft has global capabilities that will work great with Karmanos' Canadian population of employees. It houses employee information such as contact information, social security numbers, and dates of birth. It also holds job data such as job title, work location, supervisor, and compensation information. It feeds the company directory that is used to give contact information for each employee. It feeds information over to the employee self-service application, giving employees access to view their job information, pay information, their benefits they selected, and access to their paychecks. PeopleSoft offers an array of analytical tools to offer reports and analysis in real time. It feeds employee benefits over to the benefit carriers. PeopleSoft holds information and helps decrease the paper waste by saving all information into a history. Why choose Taleo? Taleo is an applicant tracking system that will solve Karmanos' recruiting needs. It offers recruiters the capability to share jobs, handles hiring multiple types of employees, offers candidates a superior recruiting experience, manages different requisitions, provides background screening and job-related assessments, manages interviews, and syncs the interviews to Outlook calendars, and also offers reporting on open positions, new hires, and applicants. This will make the recruiting experience not only better for the candidates, but also for the HR recruiters. Why choose Kronos? Kronos will help Karmanos track employees in a number of ways. There are time clocks that employees can use a badge to punch in or out, and also an application that can be accessed via the internet to timestamp punches in and out for hourly employees. Salary employees will have templates of their time input into Kronos and will only need to access the system for time off requests. Employees will manage time off in Kronos, which offers an accurate bank of paid time off. Kronos helps managers input pay rules and accept time off requests. This will help track time in a more efficient way. For Carmanos, implementing a new HRIS is important. Using Oracle products that will communicate will help Carmanos replace several old systems. It will cut down on manual data entry. When an applicant is hired in Taleo, their record becomes created in PeopleSoft and Kronos. This will help reduce human error in the data entry phase and offer Carmanos accurate information about each employee. This system will help create a more efficient HR, payroll, and accounting department. It will also help aid in making informed decisions.